Hello, welcome to ByteAdmin, and in this video we will see how we can download and install PyCharm IDE on our machine. Now open your browser and search for download JetBrains Toolbox. Now from here select the very first option. This link will be provided in the description. Now press on the download button. It has started downloading the installer. Now double click on the installer. Press on the install button and the installation is pretty simple. Press on the finish button. Now accept it. Now this is JetBrains Toolbox. We have installed it. Now if you scroll down, here you will find we have PyCharm Community Edition. But if you scroll anywhere outside, you will notice it is hidden. You can find that in taskbar's system tray icon. Now here we have PyCharm Community Edition. We have to install it. Press on the install button and it will start the installation. Now this JetBrains Toolbox is very useful. It helps us to manage multiple IDEs that are provided by JetBrains. We can update our IDE from here. If we want, we can also switch back to some other previous version of our IDE. Now we have installed PyCharm Community Edition. What you can do is you can double click here to launch the PyCharm. You can also press Window key on your keyboard and search for PyCharm. Hit enter. Now accept the user agreement. Click on continue. Now this is our PyCharm IDE. You can also customize it. Press on the customize option and from here you can change your theme as well as your font. Now we will create a new project. Press on new project. You can give any name to your project. I will call it Hello ByteAdmin. Make sure you select the new environment and from the option select virtual environment. In our coming videos, we will learn more about virtual environments. Now press on the create button. This will create our project. So we have created our first project in PyCharm. Now this section is known as Project Explorer. Using Project Explorer, we can navigate to different files that are present inside our program. Now click on the very first file, first directory. We will create a new Python file. We will call it main.py. I will write a simple hello world program. So we will write print hello world. Now in order to run the program, you can right click anywhere on the editor and select run main. What you can also do is you can press the run button at the top. This will execute our program. See, here is the output, hello world.